What is up, guys? Let me put it more deeper. What is up, guys? We're doing a YouTube video. It's your boy William. So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Well, this isn't really a vlog. It's just like kind of like a short video. So I was making a video about me eating the Pringles and stuff. I already ate the Pringles. The video turned out bad. I love the video. So I bought a new fidget spinner like 3 days ago. I guess so we're gonna do fidget spinner versus teeth. Yeah, this is red, by the way. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to William. So don't forget to like and subscribe to William. Don't forget to like and subscribe to William Hernandez. Share my YouTube channel with your friends. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.